You meet a man with your own kids. That man says he wants to marry you and take care of you and your kids. Yes, it's good, but don't relax as a woman because you don't have kids with that man. You know that one day you can pass away. You are no longer in this world. Your kids will suffer. So you have to work for the legacy of your kids. Even you are no longer in this world, your kids, they have got somewhere to stay. They have got a home. Because sometimes you can say your kids have got a home, and that home maybe you build it, or your man built for you, that husband, but you don't have kids with. Because guys, one day your kids will suffer. That man, he is not going to take care of your kids when you pass their way. Guys, men can take care of your kids because he wants to impress you most of the time. Especially, it's not his kids. He wants to impress you. That's why he is paying school fees for your kids. And you relax, you are waking up, you are sleeping the whole day because you say you are married. He is taking care of you. You know that those kids are not his kids. So one day, guys, you pass their way. He is going to marry another wife, and your kids will suffer because it's not his kids. So sometimes you have to care for women most of the time. So when you saw, maybe it's good a man can take care of you and kids, but don't relax. Go to work, even to build a house. You have got a house with that man, but build a house for your kids only, and put in name of your kids, because one day you pass their way, your kids, they have got a place to stay. Because guys, other kids, they are suffered because those stepfathers, they don't want to stay with them anymore because their mother, they passed away. So sometimes, guys, you have to be careful. Don't relax and you say, I'm married. You are married, and that person you are married to, you don't have kids with, and you have got your own kids. So sometimes, guys, women, we have to think about our own kids, because your kids will suffer. You will suffer, don't lie. Because don't be say you are happy, you want your happiness. What about your kids most of the time? What about your kids, tomorrow of your kids? Even sometimes, guys, you don't say my husband is paying my kids school fees. It's good, it's good, but we have to go to work as a woman. Work hard for your kids, for legacy, even to do something, a business for your kids, because life is too short, guys. You can be first to pass their way than that man. So those people, guys, men, they can't take care of your kids when you are no longer in this world. They can't they can't he take care of your kids because he want to impress you. He doesn't love your kids. It's very difficult, guys, to love another man's child.